spend in a miserable way.
U.S. News: parents of Penn State students who died during pledge parties sue 28 members of fraternity.
Raindrop, drip, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.